welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can use turmeric powder in 3 different ways to treat skin pigmentation, skin tags and to lighten and whiten your skin complexion. Turmeric is the most natural remedy used to lighten dark skin and to get rid of skin tags, pigmentation, dark spots effectively without any side effects. It also contains excellent antibacterial properties for preventing infection and even purifies the blood for treating outgrowth of the skin faster that causes skin tags. It also plays a big role in reducing excess production of melanin that causes dark spots, dark skin complexion, and replaces your unclear skin to the spotless, clear, glowing and fairer skin. So if you are looking for a natural and safe remedy to remove skin tag, then you should opt this painless remedy with only natural ingredients like aloe vera gel and turmeric powder. So to make this remedy, you firstly have to take half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel in a clean bowl. You can take the pure one or you can even take the ready-made one. Then you have to add half a teaspoon turmeric powder in it and then mix both the ingredients really well to make a smooth paste. Now after mixing both the ingredients really well, your most effective skin tag remedy is ready, which will remove your skin tag without any pain within 2 or 3 weeks. So you just have to apply this aloe vera gel and turmeric mixture on the affected area and massage the area gently in circular motions for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now after massaging it really well, you have to soak a cotton ball in this mixture and then apply it over the skin tag and then secure it with the help of a bandage. And then you have to leave it for good 4 to 5 hours so that it can effectively work on your skin tag. And if you want to remove your skin tag completely from your skin, then you have to repeat this remedy daily for about 2 or 3 weeks. Now again, for treating skin pigmentation, we are only going to use 2 natural ingredients, that is the turmeric powder and lemon. So to prepare the remedy for skin pigmentation, you firstly have to take half a teaspoon of turmeric in a clean bowl and then you have to squeeze half lemon in it. Now after squeezing the lemon, you have to mix both the ingredients really well. The combination of turmeric powder and lemon works best for treating skin pigmentation. It gently removes your dark spots and clears out the uneven complexion and gives you a spotless, clear, glowing and radiant skin. So for treating your skin pigmentation, you have to evenly apply this turmeric and lemon paste all over your skin pigmented area and then let it sit there for 15 to 20 minutes and after that wash it off with plain pure water. And you have to do this remedy every day to achieve fast and best results. Now we all know that turmeric has been used for skin lightening and whitening since ages. It contains a component called curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent and plays a big role in reducing the production of melanin and makes your skin more beautiful, glowing and fairer. So to make a skin lightening and whitening mask, you firstly have to take 1 teaspoon rice flour in a clean bowl and then you have to add a pinch of turmeric in it. And then after that you have to add enough milk to make a smooth paste. And then lastly you have to squeeze half lemon in it. Now after adding all the ingredients, you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth and lump-free paste. This mask is best for skin lightening and whitening as it works effectively and fastly to lighten your skin complexion. Rice flour and turmeric both are the best agent to lighten your skin complexion. Lemon bleaches your skin and raw milk smooths and purifies your skin from deep inside. Now after mixing everything really well, your skin lightening and whitening mask is ready and it will look like this. You just have to apply this mask all over your skin and then leave it for good 20 to 25 minutes and after that wash it off with cold water. And for the best results, you have to apply this face mask twice or thrice in a week. And this mask is so effective that you will be able to see the effective results on your skin within a week. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.